It's always a monumental occasion when you got the keys to a Bentley GTC Speed, which comes in this lovely grey with sparkles there. So this car is the Speed version, as you guys can see there. And you've got the lovely black wheels with the carbon ceramic with the big red calipers there. Carbon fiber everywhere. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Black roof. This is the back of it. As you guys can see there, this thing is a menace. Really beautiful. You've got to love the Bentley key as well. It's got carbon fiber paneling on the inside as well. I'll open the car and I'll show you in a couple of seconds. Let's open it up. So the seat moves back, as you guys can see. Look at the interior, the lovely black and red with the stitching across. The carbon fiber paneling, of course, it's something to admire. Bentley embroidery on the headset. Got the roof down, got the roof down. This looks marvelous, doesn't it? You've got to love it, really. You've got to love it. Honestly.